So some people buy whatever coin is available in hubs in the hopes that one of them would rise in value, but most people cannot afford to do so because they live paycheck to paycheck. However, if cryptos are to play a larger role in the future, today's most popular cryptos will be the key. So let's take a look at the best cryptocurrencies and see how big they can become, what makes them unique, and whether you should invest in them. Welcome back to our channel, guys. In today's video, we will be talking about why you should make these 5 investments in crypto and never work again. Number 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, or BTC, is the world's first cryptocurrency based on distributed ledger technology and powered by a proof-of-work process that is not backed by any central bank or government. Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonym for an individual or group of individuals, launched it on October 31, 2008, when he published a white paper. It is currently the largest cryptocurrency in the world, having dominated the market for the previous decade. On January 3, 2009, Nakamoto invented the first Bitcoin. Bitcoin was initially mined by tech enthusiasts until July 2010, when the first Bitcoin trading exchanges opened, with prices ranging between $0.0008 and $0.08. By that time, Nakamoto had given Gavin Andresen, the Bitcoin Foundation's principal developer, the network alert key and ownership of the code repository. Thousands of developers have contributed to Bitcoin's code since Nakamoto's initial Bitcoin block. Bitcoin has grown in prominence as a digital asset class over the last decade, with more people, businesses, and even countries recognizing its use or keeping Bitcoin assets on their balance sheets. Unlike traditional currencies, every Bitcoin transaction will be recorded by anybody who can contribute the computer power required to keep the network running. In exchange, these individuals will be able to earn Bitcoin through mining, which is the process of validating new transactions by solving tough riddles. The consensus algorithm is known as the proof of work. In reality, Bitcoin was the forerunner of the cryptocurrency market, which is an ever-expanding collection of digital assets that can be sent and received by anyone, anywhere in the world, without the need for a middleman. The Bitcoin price as of June 1, 2022 was $31,583.16 USD, with a live market cap of $601,825,751,245 USD. Number 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is a blockchain-based software platform that allows users to send and receive value around the globe using its native cryptocurrency, Ether. However, it is capable of much more. After Bitcoin, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It's also a decentralized computing platform that can host a wide range of apps, including a slew of decentralized finance-related apps and services. Ethereum was first proposed in 2013 by Vitalik Buterin, a Russian-Canadian computer programmer, with the goal of increasing the utility of cryptocurrencies by allowing developers to construct their own custom apps. These Ethereum-based programs, known as decentralized applications or DApps, are self-executing thanks to the usage of smart contracts, unlike ordinary apps. Smart contracts are code-based programs that are recorded on the Ethereum blockchain and perform particular operations automatically when certain criteria are satisfied. That may include sending a transaction when a specific event occurs or lending funds after the collateral is placed into a particular wallet. All DApps built on Ethereum, as well as all DApps produced on other blockchain platforms, are based on smart contracts. Ethereum, like Bitcoin, has its own blockchain, which is maintained by a global network of over 2.4 million computers, known as nodes. Anyone with the necessary hardware, knowledge, and time commitment can host an Ethereum node and participate in network validation. On the Ethereum network, there are 3 different types of nodes. Nodes in their entirety. These copy and verify all Ethereum blockchain transactions, as well as execute smart contract instructions known as opcodes. Minors should not be confused with full nodes. Light nodes keep only a partial record of the blockchain and rely on full nodes for the remainder of the information. These nodes, as the name implies, can run on smaller devices like mobile phones and do not need to be on all the time. Full archive nodes. These hold the whole history of the Ethereum blockchain, including past states or blockchain metadata, and are used by block explorers. The Ethereum price on June 1, 2022 was $1,933.64 USD, with a live market cap of $233,980,704,752 USD. Number 3. Tether. Tether, USDT, was one of the first cryptocurrencies to rely on a fiat currency to determine its market value. Tether, formerly known as Realcoin, set the value of each token at $1 to make it easier to move actual money throughout the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Tether and other comparable cryptocurrencies have been nicknamed stablecoins as a result of their peg to a stable fiat currency. Tether is the most valuable stablecoin in terms of market capitalization, and users can exchange their tethers for dollars. It also releases Tether Gold, a cryptocurrency whose value is backed by genuine gold bars and is related to the price of gold. Tether and the tokens it creates are intended to be stablecoins that are linked to real-world assets or commodities in order to guarantee value stability, especially in volatile markets. Tether's USDT is tied to the US dollar, but it's unclear whether the crypto's reserves are made up of actual dollars or other similarly safe assets. Tether paid a $41 million fine to the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission in October 2021 to satisfy claims that it misrepresented its digital currency being backed by fiat currencies. Tether has committed to submit frequent attestations and audits of its reserves, which were discovered to be stored in high-risk assets, including loans and other cryptocurrencies, rather than cash or cash equivalents. Tether is currently trading at $0.999327 US, with a 24-hour trading volume of 59,597,069,046 USD. Tether has gained 0.00% in the previous 24 hours. With a live market cap of 72,489,621,296 USD, CoinMarketCap now ranks number 3. The maximum supply is not known, although it has a circulating supply of 72,538,449,554 USDT coins. Number 4. USD Coin. USD Coin is a stable coin, a form of digital currency whose value is linked one-to-one to the US dollar, built on Ethereum. This means that holders of one USD coin can exchange it for $1 at any moment. Every USDC is backed by a dollar or an asset of comparable value, both of which are kept in accounts with US-based financial institutions. It enables the sending of tokenized dollars through a blockchain network, which is significantly faster and less expensive than sending dollars through the traditional banking system. Sending USD to the token issuer's bank account and interacting with the smart contract on the blockchain one wishes to use are the only ways to generate USD coin. The process is reversed to convert USDC to USD. USDC can be found on Ethereum, Solana, Algorand, Stellar, Tron, and Hedera, among other public blockchains. The coin is compatible with all aspects of the public blockchains on which it is based, including decentralized finance and smart contracts. The price of USDC reached an all-time high of $1.19 in May 2019 and a new low of $0.891848 in May 2021. Because new tokens are created based on demand, there is no maximum or total supply of USD coins. The USD coin price as of June 1, 2022 was $1 USD, with a live market cap of $54,004,320,588 USD. Number 5. Binance Coin. Binance Coin, or BNB, is the Binance Crypto Exchange's exchange token. It was first released on the Ethereum blockchain, but it was later moved to the Binance Smart Chain, or BNB chain. Holders of BNB who have Binance accounts can take advantage of the exchange's lower fees. That is, the token's demand is connected to the demand for the exchange's services. Buying BNB might thus be viewed as a bet on the exchange's performance, comparable to purchasing a share in a firm, except that owning the token confers no ownership rights in the exchange. The BNB chain uses a proof-of-stake authority consensus process, which means that validators are confined to a small number of the system's largest stakers on any given day. The BNB token's original value proposition was that by paying with the tokens, customers of the crypto exchange Binance may get discounts on spot, margin, and futures trading fees. With a 24-hour trading volume of 1,595,408,868 USD, the BNB price as of June 1, 2022 was $318.83 USD. So which crypto are you interested in? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked our video, please don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content. Thanks for watching.